ये भी इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज की कंप्लिसिटी है. सॉरी टू से, आपको सच बोलना है, फिर पूरा सच बोलना है या मत बोलना है.
इसमें learned attorney
Now let me just finish if you don't mind. This was a judgment. देखिए, if we don't want to abide by judgments of the Supreme Court, or we only want to abide by certain judgments of the Supreme Court, that's a very different matter. Or if you only want to address a particular thing, why was this judgment not implemented? Okay, fine. Review petitions were filed. Why were they not fixed in court? And the excuse was used by, I don't want to blame any political party, but whoever was in government then, the review petitions are pending, therefore we cannot act upon it. So the review petitions were on the one hand kept pending, and the Supreme Court. Now, let's draw a line, all the things that have been happening in this court. And Justice Minalla's note that I've read is referred to Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's judgment as well. So let's point out where the wrongdoing lies. This wrongdoing lay within the Supreme Court. Can there be any justification for not fixing review petitions for almost 5 years? I don't know of any unprecedented thing. One of the judges retired. I was left, it came before me, and then you gave a certain undertaking about the law being enacted. I think all this can easily be resolved if there are laws governing the parameters, the rules of intelligence agencies. Simple as that. The honorable judges of Peshawar High Court had said, had the directions issued by this court been followed, this would not have happened. So this is for something for Parliament to do, for the government to initiate legislation. It can be easily done. Why it is not being done? It has been highlighted 5 years ago. It can be easily be done. And this, when I talk about complicity, no matter how many phone calls or how many visits you are paid, if you don't want to do something, you won't do it. And if you want to do something, you don't need a phone call, you do it. So show your own independence. This is an independence. I'm not going to go into the personal aspect of the matter, what I had to suffer or not suffer. That's irrelevant. So let's not make it personal. The fact is, it was a judgment of the Supreme Court, required certain things to be done which were not done. So when we say it's an open secret, it's not an open secret, it's a written down one. It's a judgment, and in all our proceedings we had specifically named. At least my wife and us, we came before, stood where you are standing today, and said it in open court before all the judges. What became of it? Nothing. So if we really want to resolve these things, start, in my opinion, first is legislation. If the allegation is there, but there also must not be interference from within. अब आप legislation कर ही नहीं रहे, आपने भी withdraw कर ली है review petition इस मौजूदा हुकूमत में, very good, but legislation भी आप क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? आप करें legislation. इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज की लेजिस्लेशन कर दें, भाई उनको भी पता हो जाए ना. देखिए, हर इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी में भी देखें अपना तरीकेकार, अच्छे लोग भी होंगे, बुरे लोग भी होंगे, जुडिशरी में भी अच्छे होंगे, बुरे होंगे, वकीलों में भी अच्छे होंगे, बुरे होंगे, हर जगह अच्छे बुरे होते हैं. कम से कम उसको पता हो जाएगा ना कि यार ये मैं कर सकता हूँ या मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ. That is the beginning. शुरू कर लें वहाँ से, आगाज कर लेते हैं वहाँ से.
Learned Attorney General, adding to what my lord has stated, this was a judgment, a landmark judgment. What did the government do to it? It constituted a commission which was empowered to do, and that commission virtually made the judgment ineffective. And that was your government. Now, my lord jo baat keh rahe hain, that I with speaking for myself, no legislation is required. The agencies are under the control of the executive of the Prime Minister. If they are doing something, the Prime Minister and his cabinet are responsible. How can they say rules of business aap dekh le, constitution dekh le? They are not something independent. Or ek aur, you see, it is also our duty कि अपनी armed forces कभी हम image बरकरार रखें. That is also a public interest matter. If someone from them is involved in these matters, that is of utmost public importance, because it is our armed forces. It cannot be perceived to be against the people. They are defenders of this country, and they are our soldiers. So, this question is also involved in this.
Mr. Attorney General, as my Lord the Chief Justice has said, that the judgment was not implemented because the Supreme Court was complicit. I think it's again a great opportunity to shatter this yoke of complicity that the Supreme Court has been involved in, lest future में जाके हमें भी लोग कहें कि हम complicit थे. कर लेना आज खत्म कर देते हैं, complicity खत्म करते हैं, नहीं होगी internal complicity आज के बाद. यही तो करने बैठे हैं. कल को I don't want future generations say this bench was also complicit. I don't want to hear that.
नहीं, आज के बाद नहीं, जब से मैं चीफ जस्टिस बना अल्लाह के फजल से मैंने कोई आप बता दें कि कंप्लिसिटी ना सिर्फ देखिए बहुत तरीके होते हैं, हम सबको तरीकेकार पता है. कौन सा केस लगना है ये भी एक डिसीजन है, कौन सा केस नहीं लगना है ये भी एक फैसला है, कौन सा केस 15 साल नहीं लगना है, कौन सा केस आज लग जाना है, कल जो फाइल हुआ है या नहीं भी फाइल हुआ वो लग जाए, ये भी कंप्लिसिटी है. कौन सा केस किस बेंच के पास लगना है ये भी कंप्लिसिटी. ये सारी चीजें किसने खत्म की हैं? ये मैं सॉरी टू से मैं बिल्कुल इससे नहीं करता हूं कि आज के बाद खत्म हो जाए. ये खत्म हो चुका है. जिस दिन मैंने ओथ लिया था अब मुझे कहना पड़ रहा है. अपनी मैं बात नहीं करना चाह रहा था, करके दिखाया है ना कि बेंचेस आप बता दें, कोई आप बता दें एक पैटर्न आपको बेंचेस मिल रहा है कि ये 3 जजेस हैं या 4 जजेस हैं. ये केस क्यों लगा? जितने अवेलेबल जजेस उनके सामने लग गया. सिंपल सी बात है. हमने आपको पहले दिन बता दिया ये लोग अवेलेबल थे. एक जज हमारे मोहतरम जज उन्होंने कहा मैं इसमें उन्होंने ऑर्डर पास करके कहा मैं नहीं बैठना चाहता हूं. उनकी मर्जी है. हमारे साथ तो क्या हुआ है कि हमें बेंच से निकाला गया है जुडिशियल ऑर्डर के तहत. कहीं दुनिया की तारीख में नहीं हुआ है जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने करके दिखाया है कि एक फेलो जज को कहा यू कैन नॉट हियर दिस जज दीज केसेस. अब मैं इसलिए बातें नहीं करना चाह रहा हूं क्योंकि ये सारी बातें मेरी अपनी बात आ जाएगी, मगर मैं ये किसके लिए कर रहा था? अपनी